Most welcome to Really Easy. Transformation of sentences or conversion. Conversion of simple sentence to compound sentence to complex, or vice versa. Are you worried, friend? I am here, your friend Mo. Friend, actually, the conversion or transformation of sentences is an excellent exercise. It teaches a variety of expression in writing English. Not only that, most interesting point is the transformation of sentences consists of changing a sentence from one form to another form without any change of meaning. Friend, you know now, sentence according to structures are three kinds: simple, compound, and complex. So, what is a simple sentence, friend? My dear little friend, those who are studying from class 1 to 12, send us your problem, your question, your doubts of any topic, any subject, except commerce. We will try our best to discuss those in our upcoming videos. Friend, a simple sentence is one that contains only one subject and one finite verb, expressed or understood. He goes to school every day. But friend, a simple sentence may also have one or more non-finite verb or verbs. He goes to school to read and write. Friend, during the explanation, I have used certain terms: subject, finite verb, and non-finite verb, which you may not know about. We will now talk about those terms. Okay, friend? Subject, the part which names the person or thing and says something about that person or thing. Friend, the subject of a sentence usually comes first. Humpty Dumpty sat on a well. But occasionally it is put after the predicate. Here comes the bus. In imperative sentences, the subject is left out. Sit down. Here the subject you is understood. Okay, friend? Finite verb is a type of verb that shows agreement with a subject and can be in the present tense or past tense. Friend, these verbs can be easily identified if they are the only verb within a sentence or are the central element to the main clause. You have to always make sure that the verb agrees with, actually always work with subject. Robin reached home after 7 p.m. The root verb reach, and it is used in its past form. Robin likes to read adventure novels. Root verb like, it is used in the third person singular form. Do you know how to draw an elephant? And in this sentence, the verb know used in its simple present form. Okay, friend? But mind it, friend, a finite verb is often the main verb in the sentence, which denotes the primary action done by the subject in a particular context. He goes to school every day. Why we call this sentence as simple? I think you already know it. Yet, sometimes a simple sentence may also have one or more non-finite verbs, as he goes to school to read and write. Follow the screen. A non-finite verb is not limited by person and number as a verb that has a subject and is therefore called the verb infinite or simply the infinitive. For example, finite verb, the mangoes taste sweet, and infinitive, example, the mangoes are sweet to taste. But friend, if you get any value from this video, consider liking it and please subscribe to the channel and stay with us. Okay friend? Now, compound sentence. A compound sentence is one that contains two or more independent clauses or coordinating clauses joined together by coordinating conjunctions like and, or, but, etc. You may read the book or leave the class. Ram is a good boy and he loves his brother. Friend, during the explanation, I have used certain terms, independent clauses or coordinating clauses and coordinating conjunctions, which you may not know about. We will now talk about those terms. Okay, friend? Independent means, it means free from outside control. And coordinating means matching or harmonizing attractively, like bringing the different elements of something complex into a harmonious and efficient relationship. So what is independent clause? Friend, coordinating clauses are independent clauses or of the same order or rank. A compound sentence must have two or more coordinating clauses, principal clauses, main clauses. Okay. It may have a subordinating clause or may not have any subordinating clause. The coordinating clauses are joined by coordinating conjunctions or connective. Friend, the sentence having two coordinating clauses is also called a double sentence, and the sentence having more than two coordinating clauses is called a multiple sentence. And I suggest you, friend, take a look at our previous video about parts of speech. If you are not familiar with the coordinating conjunction, like fanboy. Okay. Now, complex sentence. A complex sentence is one that contains one principal clause and one or more subordinate clause or clauses. Okay, friend. A complex sentence may also have subordinate clauses joined with conjunction and, or, but, as well as etc. Okay. Friend, there are two types of clauses, principal and subordinate. A principal clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought. A principal clause can stand by itself as a separate sentence. I don't know where he lives. I know that he is honest. This is the boy who did it. If you get any value from this video, consider liking it. And please subscribe to the channel to show your support, friends. My dear little friend, more important information to you from me. First group of words. He has a chain of gold. He has a chain of gold. And another group of words is he has a chain which is made of gold. He has a chain which is made of gold. We recognize the first group of words as a phrase, of gold. So, we say that of gold makes sense but not complete sense. Such a group of words which makes sense but not complete sense is called phrase. The second group of words, unlike the phrase of gold, contains a subject which, okay, and a predicate is made of gold. Okay. Such a group of words which forms part of a sentence and contain a subject and a predicate is called a clause. Okay, friends. And now, what is predicate? You know, the part of a sentence which tells something about the subject. This is called the predicate. Okay, now let's get started. How, friend? This video is so long. So stay with me and press the notification bell, please. Bye-bye.